Here we are, Lydia, in my studio. I bought new eyeshadow palettes because I was in London for the weekend and they'd be perfect for her eye because we want to make this lovely eye stand out so that the world sees your beauty. It is summer, it is hot, and Lydia is working as a chemist in a laboratory, sweating like crazy, mixing all that stuff together. So we need to tone this shine down with Zoeva's powder. This is natural, so you just go all over the face, show your face some love with a fluffy brush. Lydia has a lovely bone structure, therefore I won't be contouring, just applying a bit of blush. Therefore look, round motion, because here's where I want to put it, making the cheeks fuller. Here, here, here. Dot, 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 here, dot, dot, dot. Natural makeup, nothing Instagram like, because as we said before, Lydia hates Instagram. She can't stand those cat eye flicks and stuff. Bitch, please, put some bronzer on me. Here. Just to give her a bit of color. This will work as contouring as well. And when you rub it in like this, you really ruin your hairstyle. So hairstyle later. First makeup, then hair. Give this girl some light. Pow, pow, pow. And here, on the cupid's bone, this will bounce like, make her pout rounder. On the noses, down here, so that she look like smiling. Look. Up, 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 up. Thin layer. This makeup is so natural actually. You can see her skin through, which is not that common nowadays when girls using Mac Studio FX and stuff. We're going the opposite, making your face your face. Which color? Wait. This one. This color. Because Lydia has deep set eyes, all I want to do is bring them forward. That's why I'm using this shimmery color, and I used a powder before so that this will last a long time. Shimmer usually tends to travel in creases. That's why on shimmer usually I use or primers or powder all over the eyelid. Defining these eyes with darker color here. Deep set eyes, want to push this brow bone in the back. So with this lovely color here, will it show? No, not on this side. Wait. This lovely color here, I'm just going like this as a windshield wiper out. Look at this. To be honest guys, I'm not that happy with the eyeshadow I used before. So now I'll use this one, because look, this just washed off completely. Oh, put too much on the brush. So messy today. Just tap it on. Want this part to be light. Pow, pow, pow. Here as well. This just wakes you up. Filling the brows in with my favorite color. She did a nice job trimming them. You see? So I'll just fill them in. That wasn't the best choice for the brows. It just didn't stick. Brows are the hardest thing for me to do, because matching the texture of, I don't know, like brow shadow or pencil with the texture of your skin and your skin type is still a mystery to me. Some things that you think will work, like for example that powder before, you think it will stick on, it just doesn't. Doesn't mean that the product is bad, because obviously I use that stuff often. It just doesn't stick. Mascara, darling, mascara. Look down, please. Just on the upper lashes, because in the next tutorial we'll show you some magic. So basically, how to turn this makeup, daily makeup, into a night out makeup. Save this girl's lips with some gloss, because you never know where you're gonna kiss, where you're gonna meet your husband, so you need to be ready. Look. As you know, I'm a fan of Zoeva's eyeshadows, but not that happy about this palette because it started flying down. She has shimmer here already, and because shimmer is the herpes of makeup, you just can't take it off. It's like a tattoo that sticks on. So be careful when you're using shimmer anyways, especially if you're using this one. And then I also struggled a bit with the brows, because as I said, you never know the texture of the skin, how it will interact with the texture of the product. Yes? Look at this beautiful hair. Here we are back in the studio. Tell me which eyeshadows you like, because I bought loads of Zoeva. I'll be testing them out throughout the next half a year because I bought that many. So just tell me what eyeshadows you like, which eyeshadows do you wear, what brand. She doesn't know, she just buys. As long as the package is nice, that's it. Like, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you soon. Ciao, ciao, ciao.